and Assalamualaikum. My name is FATIN QAMARINA binti ZULKIFLI. I'm from UR 6523007. So today I want to present lab report which is lab 7 voltage regulator, series voltage regulator. This lab have two part, which is part 1 basic series regulator, and part 2 is improved series regulator. So this is the schematic circuit in the question. For part 1, construct the circuit as shown in figure. In your circuit design, you are required to use a Zener diode and a MJ15042G type of bipolar transistor. Vary Vin from 4 volt to 14 volt. Measure the Vout and plot the graph Vout versus Vin. So I sketch the circuit using multisim live for basic series regulator. So the question need to measure the Vout. So when I use Vin 4 volt, so I measured this is Vin and this is Vout. So I get 3.5553 volt for Vin 4 volt. So the question need from 4 volt to 14 volt. So I do 5 volt, 6, 9, 12, 14 and the others lah. Okay, this the table I do Vin and Vout. Okay, so Vin the question need 4 volt until 14 volt. So I increase the value to 0.5 volt. So it's become 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5 until 14, the Vin. So the same schematic, just I change the value. So I measured all the Vout. So I get the Vout, and then I plot the graph using this data. So I get this for basic series regulator. So for part 2, improve series regulator. Construct the circuit as shown in figure. In your circuit design, you are required to use a Zener diode, the op-amp, and a bipolar transistor. Vary Vin from 4 volt to 14 volt. Measure the Vout and plot the graph Vout versus Vin. So this is the schematic circuit for improved series regulator. So the question need to measure the Vout from 4 volt to 14 volt. So I change the Vin same like the. So this I collect the data when I measured. Same Vin 4 volt, I increase to 0.5 volt until 14 volt. So I measured the circuit, and so I get this Vout, and then I plot the graph. So discussion from my observation, basic series voltage and improved series voltage has the different thing in terms of the circuit and component that I use. For both part 1 and 2, the supply voltage increase over the rate value of Zener voltage triggers a significant drop in its resistance, causing the over voltage to get shunted to ground through it until the supply drops or reach the Zener voltage level. Conclusion. In my conclusion, The series voltage regulator or series pass voltage regulator use a variable element placed in series with the load. It regulating DC voltage by controlling the series current supplied to the load. In this lab, I learned how to study the characteristic of a basic series voltage regulator and improve series regulator using op amp on multisim lab. Okay, thank you.